Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to import music in Capcut PC. So there are two ways here on how to import music. First, you have to add your video. And then what you're going to do here in order for you to add music is that you have to go to the upper part and you see this audio right here. You have to click that one. When you tap this, you will see recommended songs. But if you're looking for a specific song, then you can go to the search bar and then look for something like if your video is related to nature, then you can look for audio or music related to nature. So as you can see here, I'm looking for something that is related to nature. If I like this one, then all I have to do is to click this download. Once downloaded, I can click the plus icon. And yes, I can drag the video right here. Let me trim the audio by tapping this and moving it. Same length with my video right here. And that's it. So we have here the audio for my video. Another way to add music is you can import it if you have your music already. If you have downloaded or created a music already, you can import that and then trim or split the audio so that it has the same length with your video right here. So that's it. Basically, there are two ways. Just go to audio search and import the music. And that's how to import music in CapCut PC. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and see you again in our next video tutorials.